Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming a full backup so you can restore messages later. This prevents data loss. Once done, make sure you've left any beta test groups and signed out of desktops. Next, open Settings and go to Apps or Application Manager. You need to locate what's App Beta now. Tap the app to reveal storage and permissions. Don't uninstall yet. You're taking action early to preserve data. These steps make the rest predictable and reversible if needed. You clear cache first to remove temporary files, then choose Clear Data to wipe the app's local beta state. This ensures the app won't restart in beta mode. After that, press Uninstall and confirm. If uninstall is grayed out, go to Security or Device Admin Apps and revoke any admin rights for WhatsApp. Once uninstalled, open the Play Store page and leave the beta program so a fresh install will pull the stable release. These steps remove traces of beta registration and files. You now reinstall WhatsApp from the official store and proceed through setup. When prompted, restore your backup so messages return. If the app revives the beta version, make sure you actually left the beta program in Play Store or test flight. Sometimes the opt-in persists. If you hit problems, reboot the device, clear the Play Store or App Store cache, and remove then re-add your Google or Apple ID. That forces store sync. One strong tip: revoke any device admin rights first if uninstall fails.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.